Welcome to Protecting the Poles. Meet the people saving the Arctic and Antarctic. In this video, we'll explore the incredible efforts of diverse individuals and communities dedicated to preserving the fragile ecosystems of the polar regions. From indigenous leaders who uphold traditional knowledge to scientists conducting vital research on climate change, we'll highlight how collaboration, innovation, and activism are shaping the future of these majestic landscapes. Join us as we delve into the challenges and solutions being implemented to protect our planet's icy frontiers. 1. Indigenous leadership in the Arctic. Indigenous communities have inhabited the Arctic for thousands of years, developing a deep understanding of its ecosystems. Groups like the Inuit, Sami, and Chukchi are at the forefront of conservation efforts, using traditional knowledge combined with modern science. Their intimate relationship with the land allows them to advocate for sustainable practices that respect both nature and cultural heritage. By engaging in discussions and policymaking, they ensure that their voices are heard in the fight against climate change. This unique blend of old and new knowledge is a powerful tool in preserving the Arctic for future generations. 2. Polar scientists and climate research. In the harsh environments of the poles, scientists are dedicated to uncovering the secrets of climate change. Research stations in these regions serve as crucial hubs for studying ice sheets, wildlife behavior, and global weather patterns. Their work provides invaluable data that informs international policies aimed at mitigating climate change. By understanding the changes occurring at the poles, scientists can predict future impacts on global sea levels and weather systems. Their dedication to research is a testament to the importance of scientific inquiry in addressing environmental challenges. 3. Global environmental treaties. The Antarctic Treaty System is a landmark agreement that helps preserve the continent as a natural reserve devoted to peace and science. By banning military activities and resource extraction, the treaty ensures that Antarctica remains untouched by industrial exploitation. Supported by environmental advocates worldwide, this treaty represents a commitment to international cooperation for the sake of environmental preservation. It exemplifies how nations can come together to protect our planet's most vulnerable regions. The success of this treaty highlights the importance of collaborative efforts in safeguarding natural wonders. 4. Protecting marine life. Organizations like the Antarctic and Southern Ocean Coalition, ASOC, are dedicated to establishing marine protected areas around the poles. These areas are crucial for maintaining sustainable fishing practices and preserving the rich biodiversity found in polar waters. By advocating for strict regulations and protections, these organizations ensure that marine life can thrive without human interference. Their efforts are vital in combating overfishing and habitat destruction, which threaten the delicate balance of polar ecosystems. Through their work, they demonstrate the importance of protecting the oceans that sustain life on Earth. 5. Ice monitoring technology. Technology plays a key role in understanding the rapid changes occurring in polar regions. Satellite imaging and drones are used to monitor ice loss, providing real-time data on the effects of climate change. This information is essential for predicting sea level rise and its impact on coastal communities worldwide. By utilizing cutting-edge technology, scientists can track changes with unprecedented accuracy and advocate for urgent global climate action. The use of technology in conservation efforts underscores the importance of innovation in addressing environmental challenges. 6. Conservation through tourism. Sustainable tourism operators are playing a crucial role in raising awareness about the fragility of polar ecosystems. By educating visitors on the importance of conservation, they foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship. These tours not only provide funding for vital conservation projects but also promote global understanding of the urgent need to protect these regions. Through immersive experiences, tourists gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and vulnerability of the poles. This approach highlights the potential for tourism to support, rather than harm, natural environments. 7. Wildlife protection program. Conservationists are tirelessly working to protect polar species from the myriad threats they face. From polar bears and penguins to seals, these animals are at risk due to habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Wildlife protection programs focus on addressing these threats through habitat restoration, pollution control, and sustainable fishing practices. By implementing targeted conservation strategies, they aim to ensure the survival of these iconic species. Their efforts serve as a reminder of the crucial role biodiversity plays in maintaining healthy ecosystems. 8. Youth activists and climate campaigns. The voices of young activists are growing louder in the fight against climate change, particularly in polar regions. Arctic indigenous youth groups are leading campaigns to raise awareness about the challenges faced by their communities and the environment. Their advocacy for reducing greenhouse gas emissions is driven by a deep sense of urgency and passion for protecting their homelands. These young leaders are inspiring a global movement for change, demonstrating that the next generation is ready to tackle the world's most pressing issues. Their activism is a powerful testament to the impact of youth engagement in environmental conservation. 9. Cleaning up plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a growing threat to polar waters, endangering marine life and ecosystems. Organizations like Ocean Conservancy are mobilizing volunteers to clean up these remote areas and reduce plastic waste. By raising awareness and taking action, they are addressing one of the most pervasive environmental issues of our time. Their efforts highlight the interconnectedness of global ecosystems and the need for collective action to combat pollution. Through their work, they remind us that even the most remote regions are not immune to the impacts of human activity. 10. International collaboration. The Arctic Council and other international bodies are essential for addressing the complex challenges facing the poles. By bringing together nations, indigenous groups, and scientists, they facilitate discussions on melting ice, resource exploitation, and geopolitical tensions. This collaboration is vital for developing comprehensive strategies to protect polar regions and address global environmental issues. Their work underscores the importance of diplomacy and cooperation in safeguarding our planet's most vulnerable areas. Through international collaboration, we can ensure a sustainable future for the Arctic and Antarctic regions.